Today we're going to install a very simple part that will make jacking up your 2015 through 2018 Mustang Fastback a lot easier. Your S550 Mustang has two small factory jacking points on each rail, and if you jack your car up regularly, it is easy to get to these and damage them sometimes, or even harder to find them. These jacking rails will fit your 2015 through 2018 Fastback, and these are going to go on the entire pinch weld, making you allowed to jack the car up anywhere you'd like to. These are a very simple installation. Again, they fit Fastback only, and today we're going to install them on my 2018. Beginning installation, get your car off the ground. We're going to remove 3 factory bolts, 2 here in the front and then 1 in the back. What we're going to do now is clean off a little bit of this sealer here. I've seen it in various heights on different cars. Mine's actually not that bad, but I've seen it kind of clumped on before. You want to get it smoother so that our jacking rail fits flush. Razor blade will work fine for this. Now at this point, if you want to install a little bit of brushable seam sealer, you absolutely could. But if you look, the factory sealer, it's still in the channel between the 2 pieces of metal where it should be, so it is still sealing it up. The jacking rails are side specific. You want to grab the 2 holes are going to go forward with the shorter section, and then this edge here goes up against the pinch weld. And you'll want to get all the bolts started before you tighten anything down. Now the rear location here, the rear bolt goes in the one we removed, and there's a factory spot right up here. And once all the bolts are started, we can tighten them down. Then you want to repeat the process on the other side, and your installation's finished. With the jacking rails installed, now we can jack up the car pretty much anywhere along the pinch weld. It makes that a lot easier to do, especially if you're changing wheels and tires. You can put the jack in the middle and lift up one side of the car at a time, which is going to save you a lot of time and trouble. As far as the installation goes, the only tools you're going to need are a 15mm socket and a razor blade. Figure about half an hour, be back on the road in no time.